minute. Okay.
This is fine. I know that my son now. It's a very smart boy. This is fine.
Good afternoon, man. Your flight is ready to go at seat 19. So please, can you join with us? Let me help you with your bag, mate. Thank you. Come with me, please. Thank you.
This place is cold, though. This New York. Hey, where's my luggage? I knew it was too good to be true. Only one luggage. Out of how many? 4. Let me call Nnamdi and tell him this situation. Hello, Nnamdi. I've arrived though. I'm not happy with you. So I told you about all these travel agencies. How can I have only one, just one luggage, and I brought 4?
Mama, see, nothing to worry about.
Don't mama me.
They'll get your bag. They have insurance that covers every delayed bag. It's called Blue Ribbon. So even if they don't get your bag in 96 hours, they will get $1,000 for every bag that is missing.
$1,000 per bag?
Yes, Mama.
Interesting.